guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Before we get into it, I have such a wicked headache right now. So if I seem like, that's why. I'm powering through it. I'm trying to keep my pep up, but I mean, my head is literally killing me. This lip color, I love it. It is from Myth Cosmetics. I tried it on in my last video, in my epic lip swatch video. This is War Rose, and if you actually rub your lips together after they are dry, there is a sparkle to them, if you can see. Anyway, just wanted to mention that. Really pretty. I'll leave everything down in the description box below. Really liking that. Alright, so this month's BOXYCHARM has arrived, so let's get into it. If you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it's a monthly subscription box where we get typically 5 full-size beauty products sent to us every month for just $21. It's an awesome deal. Get to try out new products. It's really cool. Last month's box was pretty epic, so let's see how they're following up this month. So here is our card. This month is called the BOXYCHARM Road Trippin', or it's called the Road Trippin' box. First, we have the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. How's that happen? We have the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Awesome. I love the Dr. Brandt products that we get sent in our boxes. It says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful rested eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biometric technology, peptides, and botanical extract, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. So I don't typically suffer from under eye bags. I do get some dark circles. I think I'll try it out at first, you know, see what it's like. This is what the tip looks like. So there won't be any using the tip on it, so you could definitely share this with other people. When it comes out, it is orange. I can't tell what the scent is. Blend it out. Oh, it feels really nice. Definitely curious to try that. Feels like it would be a really nice base for makeup. Okay, so next up I see the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It says this award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights. Don't really want to open it up because I have so many mascaras open right now, so maybe I'll open this up at another time. It says it is made in the USA, if that matters to you. Okay, then I have the Cello Beauty Eyebrow Cream. It says add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and all night. An eyebrow cream, that sounds quite interesting. Okay, so I just took the cap off and there is a brush on this side. Oh, this is, you know what, this is just like the Ico brow stuff, so let's see. It's really great for like on the go because it's all in one little thing here. I'll draw some strokes in my eyebrow, I guess. So it's just like a pomade in like a really easy to go container. Don't have to carry around a big pot. It's all right here in this little thing, and then you've got your eyebrow brush on the other side. Then you just screw it back on, and then you've got your pomade in there, and then your brush goes in on this side. Great for traveling. Love that. It says this is the color Tantalizing Taupe, and that's by Cello Beauty. Definitely gonna go in like a travel bag of mine because everything literally is right here, and you do get quite a bit of pomade in there. So do you guys want to see like a travel essentials video from me? Let me know down in the comments below. So next is the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Okay, so this is the most affordable product in the box. Sounds like there's a brush inside as well. Okay, so this is the blush. Color's really pretty. And yes, there is a little brush in the bottom that's making all that noise. Let's add some of this to my cheeks just so we can take a look at it. Smells like baby powder. So is it super pigmented? I'm gonna tap off some of that excess. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, I really like that color. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Really pretty. It says that it is paraben free and has argan oil infused in the formula, and it has a built-in brush and mirror. Oh my god, there's a fly flying around. Oh my god, these flies are driving me absolutely crazy. It's gonna land on my head. I'm gonna be so annoyed. And I got the color 05 Desert Rose. Really pretty, really like that. Okay, so then last in the box, I feel a palette. See if I can get it out. Box. Okay, we've got a Crown palette. No! One of mine is smashed. Look. Oh. One of mine is totally smashed. I don't even want to open this up now. I just made a huge mess. No! Okay, well, don't want to tip it too much, but this is the palette. Looks pretty, looks like a lot of warm tones. I'm gonna have to repress that. It says this is from Crown Brush. This is the Fuego eyeshadow palette. It says it's made up of rich, warm tone shades. And this creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam goals. So one of the shimmer shades broke on me, but we'll repress it and it'll be fine. I'm just gonna swatch a few. Do feel nice and creamy. Here's, ooh, that's pretty. Wow. Shimmers, definitely pigmented. Really pigmented. Let me swatch another matte. Really creamy. Definitely really pigmented as well. Of course, swatches don't really matter until you actually use them on your eyes. So let me know if you want to see an eyeshadow look using that palette after I repress that shade, because it is really pretty. Let's see if I can get a swatch of that color. Let's put it up here. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, it's a shame that that one broke, but no biggie. We'll just repress it. Really, really pretty shades. You know, everybody loves their warm tones. So, you know, I think a lot of people will love that in their box this month. I'm surprised at how really pigmented these are and creamy. I'm impressed. I can't wait to use it. The mattes do look like they are satin mattes, which I don't really like, but again, we won't know until I use it on my eyes. Okay, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products this month. The total value of my box this month was $133.98. That's a really awesome deal considering the whole box is just $21 a month. It was a good box. We got some mascara, eyebrow pomade, blush, some skincare, and a palette, which is pretty well rounded in my opinion. I really like that blush. And I love that this is super on the go, perfect for the theme of this box this month. Yeah, I think they did a great job. I am always anxious to see what we're gonna get in our next box. Again, if you guys want to sign up for BOXYCHARM, I do have a link down in my description box below. Let me know what you thought this month down in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I will see you guys on my next video.